Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna discuss about this error, site can't be reached. If you got that error, I'm gonna give you a couple of solutions which you can try to resolve it. So let's try with the first one. First thing first, you need to check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. Try opening other websites to see if they load. If you are using Wi-Fi, check if your router is working properly. Restart the router if necessary. If that didn't work for you, another solution which you can try is to open that website in a different browser. Let's say you're using a Google browser, try a different browser to open that website and see if the website opens. If that doesn't open, a third solution which you can try, which is clear your browser cache and cookies. Let's say you are on Google, you're using Google Chrome, go to the three dots here, click on it, and then click on delete browsing data. And here you can specify the date or the time. This is the time where you will delete all the data that is stored on your device. Since last 4 weeks, you can click here and delete all the data. You can go as well to advanced. You can here check all these datas and clear the ones that you don't need, and then go back to the website and see if the website opens or no. If that as well doesn't open your website, what you can try, restart your device. Sometimes restarting your device will enable the website to open as usual. If that as well didn't work, what you need to do now, you need to flush your DNS. So for that, go to the search toolbar here and type command prompt. Command prompt will appear as a best match. Click on run as administrator and here type ipconfig /flush DNS and then press enter. When you see this message successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache, go back to that website and see if it opens or no. If that as well didn't open, what you can do, check if you are using a proxy or a VPN, maybe that is blocking or disabling that website. If you're using it, try to stop it and open that website normally. Also, if you are using a firewall or antivirus, check it, see if the website is being blocked by that antivirus. Another solution which you can do, go to the control panel, go here, type control panel. Control panel will appear as a best match, click on it. Go to network and internet, and then click on network and sharing center. Click on your connections, then click on properties, then click on internet protocol version 4, then click on properties, and here click on use the following DNS selected, and then put 8, 8, 8, and 8, and then 8, 8, 4, and 4, and then click on OK. Then click on close and check now if the site is opening normally or no. A last solution which you can do, go again to your connections, click on it, then click on properties, and here deselect internet protocol version 6, then click on OK, and then click on close. Now go back to that website and see if it is working. It should be working after trying all these solutions. With that, I have come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel to watch upcoming videos. Take care. Goodbye.